Today is Wednesday, November 30th, right, 2016. What we're going to be doing on this video, I'm actually going to show you the screening tool that I use to find new penny stocks to add to the watch list, and also maybe find an opportunity to buy one. I sold two stocks yesterday, so I have room to buy two new stocks. Not sure we're going to find it. Let's go to the markets, Yahoo Finance, see what's been going on. Um, Today, I think OPEC had a deal to limit the output, so oil is doing well. The S&P and the Dow's still on the uptrend. It's been on an uptrend since the election. So let's continue that today. Nasdaq kind of dropped down a little bit. So that gives us an idea. It's still an uptrend, so it's still safe to look for stocks that are going up. So I'm going to go to my stockcharts.com account. This is my charting software. I keep all my charts here, my watch list. I use a screening tool to look for new stocks. Um, so if I go in here to the members area, I already went over my watch list on another video. I use Robinhood as my trading software, so these are my penny trades on this list here. I have 14. Um, and then my watch list, I have 23, which I went over in a different video. So if you want to see that more details on the watch list, look for the watch list video on YouTube. What we're doing today, though, we're going to scan, use the stock screening tool, and that's going to help you find new stocks to play with. So very important. You guys already left me messages on how to do this, so let's go on. For penny stocks, very simple. We're just going to use the standard scan. You only need one scan, and that's going to be adequate. So, there's lots of criteria here. You can get all complicated enough, but you just need to know how to do one thing and do it repeatedly every day, and that's going to be enough, okay, for the system to work for you. So the group here, we're going to run this scan right here. You can leave it in United States, scatter any. Um, Scatter is the popularity scoring that each stock have. If you really wanted to catch only the popular ones, you might choose, scatters less than 75, but usually I just leave that alone. I just want to, because I'm going to actually sort the list later on with the pricing too, and that's going to help. Volume, yeah, leave it above 40,000. You do want a stock that's pretty um, that's tradable. You don't want one with no volume, so leave that there. And then price, it's gonna be any. I'm gonna sort it according to price anyway, so you don't even have to put that in there. And then this one, the only thing you need to do is a bullish MACD crossover, and MACD is one of the statistical analysis plots that I use to time my entries and exits. So if we put this one, when the MACD crosses over on a bullish signal, it's going to carry a lot of momentum with it. So that's it. Just change this one criteria here to MACD crossover, bullish MACD crossover, and then you run your scan. And then here, what you can see, your screen may not show the whole table here, but I'll screen over. But this kind of brings back a whole bunch of stocks. Actually, today there's not that many here. And then you can see what market they're in. Okay, well, let me just sort this one first. So the first thing I would do is I'm going to sort this according to the close price, the closing price. And if you click it once, it's going to show you the most expensive stock first. We actually want the cheapest, so click it once more. So now you got the cheapest. Okay, and then from there we go back to the front side here. exchange. Robinhood, yeah, I use Robinhood to trade. They're not gonna let you trade the OTC market here, which is really the pink slip uh, market. That's the true penny stocks. These prices are 2 cents, 4 cents, 22 cents. So you're not gonna be able to do that on Robinhood. So you can skip over that. This is OTC also. So really the cheapest first one for today, and actually the only one today, is NG Nova Gold, because the other criteria for the penny stocks system I use is the price is going to be less than $10. So this one's $4 and this one's $12. So from here on, it's already too expensive. From here down, it's too unstable. It's in the OTC market. So you only got one as a possible trade today. So we'll go in. So the criteria for putting on my watch list is the scatter plot here. This is scatter, this is price, and this is the force technical analysis. I'm gonna go over that in another video. But for it to qualify to be on my watch list, the scatter plot has to be above 70, and this one failed that already. And the price has to be an uptrend, with the price staying above the 50-day moving average, which is the blue line here. And you can see this chart has dropped below the blue line and it's been consistently below it. So it failed both criteria. The only criteria passes the price is less than $10. So today we don't have a new stock to add to the list. So this is actually an indication that we might be nearing the top of the uptrend, because usually if you have if you do the search here and you have a big old list of results where it goes on for pages, that's a bullish market. Everything's jumping. Today not a lot of things are jumping, so maybe it is a good day to stay away from the market.